Ashley, what are first impressions?
First impressions are the shit.
They're the shit.
S-H-I-T. S to the H to the I to the T. What's that spell? Shit.
Because you're just a dumb cunt.
Who?
I was like, you can tell that you're 14. She's like, no shit. I was like, yeah, you shouldn't make that so obvious. She's like, why is that?
I'm trying to be a bitch right now. I don't have a tongue ring though. Dude, stop. People are going to think we're
First
outside.
impressions are the shit.
First impressions are the shit. It's true, guys.